Hello there guys, it's Joel here, aka Gallucks, and welcome back to my YouTube channel today for a new sneaker unboxing, which I'm very excited to show you. I've been after these sneakers for such a long time. They've been on my saved items on Grailed for months and months and months, and I've been like, should I get them, should I not, should I get them, should I not? And eventually I was just like, do you know what, fuck it, I'm just gonna get them. First and foremost, I want to say thank you to everyone who watched my last two videos. My previous one is a recent pickups with flannels. Such good savings on flannels, on luxury stuff at the moment. If you head back to my previous video, click the link in the description, you can check the prices on all the pieces from my video, and they literally just got a sale on for like 10,000 items or something. The diesel belt was like £60, Helmut Lang sweatshirt was like £70. Honestly, you have to go and check it out if you haven't already. So check my previous video. And the one before that was the homophobia within like the streetwear space and men's fashion in general. So I really appreciate all of your feedback on both of those recent videos. Before we get into the sneaker unboxing, one more thing, I promise. My Fracture t-shirt from Arcana launches literally tonight over on arcana.co.uk. The inspiration for this was a cracked iPhone, so I wanted the t-shirt to have the effect. It's an all over print, it's an all over screen print, but it just gives that effect of like shattered glass, broken glass. Fracture tee is £80 and is launching tonight. And then I'm also launching socks tonight. So just a pair of white socks for now. I do want to do black socks in the future as well, but they have the Orbit logo here, and then on the inside of the foot they also have Arcana written there. They are £15. However, if you spend over £150 and add these to your cart, these then become free. So they're free on orders over £150. So these two are launching this evening over on arcana.co.uk. The love for Arcana recently has been crazy. Like, I'm so happy. The cargo trousers are almost sold out. We literally have like 5 pairs left, which is crazy because they are the most expensive item as well. Like, they're £200 each. So I know it's like a big investment, but for these to be like the best selling product is crazy. So thank you so much. I'm over the moon. So excited for the Fracture tee to launch. I have 2 launches coming up mid-August and then early September. Honestly, like, I'm so excited. Arcana is just like my little baby, and every single like follow, like, comment, purchase, order, like when you post your orders, when you post stories of your orders, when you make reels or TikToks with your orders, like, honestly, it means so much to me. So thank you so much for all the love and support on Arcana at the moment. Like, it's so nice. So thank you. So now to get into today's video. These I got them on Grailed, secondhand obviously. I didn't actually get the box. This is a box from another pair of sneakers. I just wanted to hold it for like the thumbnail or aesthetic reasons, but it just kind of makes sense to show you a box for an unboxing, if you know what I mean. So these are the, I think it's pronounced vibram? Vibram? I think it's vibram.
Vibram. Yeah.
So they are the Balenciaga X Vibram toe sneakers from, I believe they were showcased in their fall 2020 collection and released in October 2020. There were multiple versions and colorways. The seller did send me the little like dust bag and the bit from the box. Basically they came from Korea, from South Korea, so it didn't make sense to send the box because it would have just like increased the shipping amount by a hell of a lot. So I was like, it's fine without the box. So yeah, these were from the fall winter 20 collection. I have the black sock version with white toes and like a black and white sole. Fall winter 20 is one of my favorite runways because that's what this is from, my Balenciaga lunchbox. The accessories were iconic. Everything about that show was incredible. The set was like water. The accessories were incredible. The ready-to-wear was incredible. I just love that collection so much. So it's no surprise that I've kind of like gone back to it, or like pieces from it are on my list of like things that I want to gather and put into my collection. So I found an old article from Hypebeast from October 19th, 2020. A collaboration between Balenciaga and the footwear brand Vibram presents the Toe Collection, a range consisting of 2 limited edition sneaker styles and a high heeled style made each from recycled knit. The collaborative collection takes Vibram's patented 5-finger shoe style, a flexible sole on the foot that separates each toe, allowing for better tactile perception when moving. The limited edition Balenciaga toe sock is available in carmine red and black, and the limited edition Balenciaga toe lace-up resting on a heavy-duty suspension heel is available in black. So the Vibram toe sneakers themselves were introduced on the Winter 20 runway collection for Balenciaga. I don't know if this colorway is from that collection, but I feel like this colorway might be from Spring 21. I don't know how much you know about these sneakers, but apparently the general consensus is that the heel breaks. Because the heel, it does seem kind of flimsy, like it is just like little bits of plastic together. Like I feel like I'm gonna have to be very careful when walking around in these. Compared to like the expander sneakers had a very, very like thick, sturdy plastic heel. Like the connections all seem very like thick, strong plastic, whereas these feel very fragile. So fingers crossed I won't break them. I have this theory that if I do break them, I'll just break off the entire heel and then just use it as like a flat shoe. I don't know if that will work, but whatever. So originally these were $1,290 or around that price. So I got them for £500, which I think is a really good price. They're in really good condition. Like, yeah, there's a bit of wear on the sole, but I'm not gonna see that anyway. I have tried these on to film a reel and a TikTok, and putting them on is so weird. And actually one of my feet, I have one flat foot randomly, so getting my foot in the right position to put my toes in is very strange. I just love how these look like, because they have the little white bits here, they look, when I'm wearing baggy trousers as well, they look like little paws or like little animal feet sticking out from my trousers. So yeah, I was so excited to finally get these after so long. And really happy to find a pair that's in such good condition as well. I do check Grailed quite often, especially for like older like Balenciaga pieces. A lot gets uploaded there every single day. I'm actually selling a few bits on there myself if you want to check out. I'll leave my Grailed linked in the description box. So yeah, also these, I'm a 42 and these are a 41. But in the seller's description, he put that he's a 42 and they fit him great. As always, with all Balenciaga footwear, I tend to size down, and this is no exception. So I have to use I'm gonna put them on this bathroom step, only because I have to be sat down to put them on right, I think. That went on perfectly, which I'm so shocked about. So when you slide it on, you kind of have to like make sure that your toes are all lined up to fit in the little pockets for the toes. I don't think my little toe is actually in there, but whoever knows what their little toe is doing. This is my flat foot, so this one has been a bit of an issue. I just really have to angle it. Okay, so the big toe is in place. But my other toes are like not even anywhere right, so I'm just kind of have to like push them across. There you go. And lie them flat. And now both feet are inside. Here you can see them in the mirror. They're so cute. Don't they look like little animal feet? Like little paws sticking out. So here they are on. Lift up my cargos so you can see a little bit better. The fit is perfect, and honestly they are super comfortable. I think because I'm conscious of the heel breaking, I'm putting more of the weight on the balls of my feet rather than my heel. So it'll be interesting to see how I cope outside. But I really love them. I love how they look. I love what they add to the outfit. And they're super comfy, which is a bonus, you know? I mean, I've not done 24 hours in them yet. Let me know if you want me to do 24 hours in these. We'll see how that goes. So this was the unboxing of the Balenciaga X vibram toe sneakers from 2020 or 2021, wherever this colorway dropped. I'm obsessed. I can't wait to start wearing them. I'd love to know what you guys think of these in the description box below. I feel like the toe separation, much like the tabbies, is gonna be a big divide on people whether they like it or not. But yeah, I'm currently obsessed. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.